You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar rose on Thursday after political impasse in Washington eased as politicians started to negotiate a way to temporarily raise the debt ceiling. The greenback ended the day 1.3519 to the euro and 98.14 to the yen. Today's data includes advanced retail sales in September, which is expected to show a 0.2% rise, and University of Michigan sentiment, which is forecast to fall to 77 in October. Next to the euro. The euro traded mixed on Thursday after the ECB monthly bulletin showed no improvement in the outlook for the eurozone, although this was offset by a rise in global risk appetite on the back of diminishing US default fears. The single currency ended the day 1.3519 to the dollar and 132.68 to the yen. Today's data includes German CPI in September, which is expected to remain at 1.4% year-on-year. British pound. The pound rose on Thursday after BOE kept policy unchanged and the outlook for the UK economy remained relatively strong. Sterling ended the day 1.5966 to the dollar and 0.8466 to the euro. Today's data includes construction output in August, which is expected to rise by 0.8% month-on-month from 2.2% previously. Japanese yen. The yen weakened on Thursday after the result of fall in the safety flows on worsening of US default fears, while data showing a massive rise in the purchases of the foreign bonds by Japanese investors. The yen ended the day 98.14 to the dollar and 156.69 to the pound. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provide you daily trading signal from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.3495 with 1.3555 and 1.3585 inside. The downside breakout of 1.3495, which will open the way to 1.348 and 1.3455. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.6 with 1.591 and 1.588 as next targets. The upside penetration of 1.6, which will call for 1.6045 and 1.609. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long position above 97.85 with 98.7 and 99.1 as next targets. The downside penetration of 97.85, which will call for 97.55 and 97.3. Good luck and happy trading. Tune on Monday for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you'll be watching Market for You. Have a great weekend.